Imagine transforming your product videos into something truly amazing with the power of AI. Hello guys, welcome back to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. If not aware, product videos are short, engaging visuals that showcase a product's features, benefits, and uses, often highlighting how it solves a problem or fits into the viewer's life, thus being an essential tool for marketing and sales. Now, using AI to create product videos is a game changer as you don't require in-depth knowledge about the product. AI tools can generate scripts, visuals, and even voiceovers based on the basic inputs, saving your time and effort. With AI, you can usually create high-quality engaging videos that showcase your product's value without needing to be an expert in every detail. And boom, your product is skyrocketing. So today, I am going to show you an AI website through which you can create great videos that will fuel your business in just a few minutes, and a detailed step-by-step guide on how to use it. Don't worry, I will provide the link of the website down in the description box. So guys, without any delay, let's get started. So this is basically a Creatify.ai website. It is basically an AI-powered video ads website. And when you scroll down, you will see boost your marketing with Creatify's powerful features like text-to-speech, AI scriptwriter, custom avatar, batch mode, and so on. And when you scroll down even further, you will see some plans. That is, it is also available for free, some starter pack, some pro pack, and even a custom enterprise. So I will definitely go for this free pack for now, as I will be able to get 2 videos. That is 10 credits per month. That is for 5 credits for 1 video. So it is okay for me, and I will start it for free. So basically here you need to paste the product link to generate a video. That is such as any of the product link, your personal product link, or I'm taking an example of a Amazon website's product, and I will just have to paste the URL over here, or you can add the product details manually too. So I will just paste the product details, product video, URL, and I will click on analyze URL. It may take a few seconds, as you can see. Wow. Now you can see the product name, the product description, and even some of the assets are added over here, some of the pictures. You can select everything or delete or unselect all. You have options over here. You can even upload anything from there. So I will select this. This is also nice. This is also fine for advertisement. So yeah. And then next. Now there are various video settings available, like platform. Keep this in general only. Aspect ratio, I want this in 9:16 only. You can change it into 6:19. Duration, 15 seconds is enough. You can even choose your language from here. Anything you want. I will keep this in English. This is very optional. You can also type the target audience you are targeting for your product. And let's click on next. Now moving on, here you can choose or create your own script. Here you can choose the AI generated scripts, or even you can use your own script. So I will find out something good. Here you can click on generate more scripts, and maybe I'll use this, and we can even write anything over here. I will write, check for the product link in the description below. And I can click on next. Now you can choose your own favorite avatar over here. Here are realistic, some styled avatar, but this is for the subscription wala people. From here, we can choose this. Let's choose this. And you can even personalize this with gender, age, location, anything. Next. Be patient with this, as it can take a few seconds of your time, as it is already showing. Now, you can choose the desired size, like green screen effect or the product only, the full screen, AI madness, or big screens. I will go for this full screen.
Plus upright vacuum cleaner. Experience efficient dual mode functionality, exceptional 6.5 kPa suction power, and versatile attachments. Enjoy lightweight maneuverability and ample 0.8 L dust capacity. Elevate your home's cleanliness effortlessly. Order now for immaculate results. Check for the product link in the description below.
Now, you can edit this video from over here. Now, you can go to avatars. You can change the avatar. Like I want to take this. And I'll go for captions. I'll go for this. And this is basically a call to action video. So you can add this. Add anything like this. I'll use this maybe. You can change the music even. I don't want to change. Text is fine. And maybe I will change the avatar. I'm not liking this. Let's skip this only. Apply to all scenes. Now, I'm just click on render. Here, for this video, you need credit needed, that is 5, and you have already 10, that is fine. You can't remove watermark because you are using a free plan. Let's just render this video. It may take some time as it is rendering a AI video. Let's wait for this. It is done maybe. Let's see. Let's see. The video is generated.
Streamline your cleaning routine with the Agaro Regal Plus upright vacuum cleaner. Experience efficient dual mode functionality, exceptional 6.5 kPa suction power, and versatile attachments. Enjoy lightweight maneuverability and ample 0.8 L dust capacity. Elevate your home's cleanliness effortlessly. Order now for immaculate results. Check for the product link in the description below.
It's nice. So guys, that's a wrap up. I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and shining with Simplilearn. Thank you for watching.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.